Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make chicken empanadas. I have tried the baked version. You can even deep fry it. So let's see how to make this amazing snack. Take some all-purpose flour and add some baking powder and salt. Give it a mix. Add some frozen butter. Squeeze the butter and mix it with the flour. Add water little by little and make this into a soft dough. Once the dough is formed, keep it aside for 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the filling. Into a pan, add some oil, add finely chopped onion, saute it until it slightly changes its color. Add some ginger and garlic paste, saute it. Add boneless chicken, mix it and cook. Add enough salt and pepper, mix it, cover it and cook the chicken. Once the chicken gets cooked, add all-purpose flour, give it a mix. Pour in some milk and cook it till it gets thick. Once the chicken gets cooked, make it into small pieces using a spatula so that it will be easy to add as a filling. Finally, add some coriander leaves and our chicken filling is ready. Let's start rolling the dough. Roll the dough into a thin sheet. And cut out round shapes from it. You can repeat the same process with the excess dough. Now take each piece and roll it once again to make it a bit more thin. Now place the filling. Now fold it from one side and press down the sides. Now to seal the edges, either you can press it down with a fork or just press and roll like this using your fingers. And it makes a beautiful design. Just repeat the same with all the empanadas. Now place all the empanadas on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and here I'm giving an egg wash so that you'll get that beautiful brown shade while baking. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And there it is, our delicious chicken empanadas are ready. So definitely try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.